Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best above-ground pools on the market, the Bestway Power Steel 20 feet by 12 feet by 48 oval metal frame pool set. If you're looking to enjoy summer in style, this pool might just be what you need. Stick around as we explore its features, setup process, and everything else you need to know before making a decision. The Bestway Power Steel Pool is designed for those who want the ultimate backyard swimming experience without the hassle of permanent installation. This 20-foot long, 12-foot wide, and 48-inch deep pool comes with a sturdy steel frame, which is crucial for durability and stability. It's perfect for families looking to cool off and have fun during those hot summer months. Check with your homeowners association regarding any restrictions on above-ground pools. Maintenance. Regular upkeep, including water treatment and cleaning, is essential to keep the pool in optimal condition. In conclusion, the Bestway Power Steel 20 feet by 12 feet by 48 oval metal frame pool set is an excellent choice for families or anyone looking to enhance their outdoor living space with a high-quality above-ground pool. Its sturdy construction, ease of assembly, and comprehensive accessory package make it a standout option in the market today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, let us know if you have any questions or if there are other products you'd like us to review. Until next time, stay cool and enjoy your summer.